Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y33s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into FastBoot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, and from there select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and the volume up at the same time. So I'll do that right now. As you can see, there we go. We are now in FastBoot mode. Now in this mode you'll need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And we don't have very many options in here. We have reboot or recovery mode. So I'm just going to stick with the first one, reboot, confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.